2024 Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and turn them into outstanding dishes. This year the menu is a bit French. For Barbie, we've got BarBrie, Brie puffs with a raspberry wine compote. When I heard they were making a movie about Barbie, I thought that was a bad idea. It was not going to be good. Then I saw who was attached, and then I saw the movie, and it totally surpassed my expectations. When deciding what to make, I wanted it to be light and fluffy, but also have a little depth of flavor. These little choux pastries with the Brie and the raspberry drunKEN compote. You know, had to use some wine because he whines a bit. It's just the perfect note. It's got the sweet savory balance. Make these for fun, not even for company. Although, company's gonna love you for it. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.